coming out this Tuesday is the EZkeys sound expansion synth wave, and I'm excited about it. I decided to reconfigure my desk so I'm ready to play some keys instead of just percussion, which is my norm. And while I was doing that, I figured I would cover the electronic pop sound expansion. So do check it out. But more importantly, if you're interested in that synth wave EZkeys sound expansion coming out, do subscribe and check your notifications. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, I'll have a full review. This is Sean from Shootie School. We're going to cover every preset in the electronic pop EZkeys sound expansion. Let's rock. All right, we're getting started in the keys presets, and I'm not going to jam with the 90s dance. It's a chord stab. It's a little dissonant. You might know what to do with it. Let's start with the acid key right here. So we're hearing this lead melody that you can see on the piano. That's just me shooting sequences and a couple melodies I wrote, or I even had an arpeggiator come in here. So I'm just shooting random stuff at it. As you see me hit buttons down here, you'll hear the pattern change up. And you also hear me adjusting volumes, soloing stuff up over here, and also adjust the pitch, the octave, so we can hear different registers that an instrument plays. And one more side note before we really get started is in EZdrummer 3, I'm using the dance EZX here. And you hear there's actually a bass line in here. It's this little A minor, little thumping along. It's this right here. So just keep in mind, this sound is not a part of the electronic pop EZkeys sound expansion, okay? Let's get started. That's acid key. I'm going to move through them fast or this video is going to be an hour long. Arp friendly. Just keep your, I'm going to forget to call out the names of all these presets, so just keep an eye in this area if you're curious what preset you're hearing, okay? You know, this is missing some high ends. It has some polite mids. Some sort of little pitch bend applied to this one. Bell key is really ambient. It's nice. Gets louder as you come down to the mids. I like that. Similar with this bottle key. Bright key. All these bright keys probably be good for like shred fest solos. I'm not using the sustain pedal, and how I'm changing presets is I've decided to use my sustain pedal not on my keyboard but to change the presets for me. So it's my foot changing the presets below the business down there. Let's hear this shred. It's got a little pitchy effect to it here. That one as well, big time. It's got a little saw on it, a little bit, a little drive. DigiPiano. We need some sustain here. So, filter down here. I've got the effects learned out on my keyboard over here. I'm going to pull the filter off. It got super quiet, but it really took the bite off the attack, which brings the volume down. But I'll just bring the volume back on the mixer and let's hear this. Bring the verb up. All right, this has a delayed attack, so it's not really going in time with the beat. Just hear it on its own. All right. This has a delayed attack as well. It's got a pitch effect on it. This doesn't have the facet attack. I wonder if it can shred though. Cool. This is cute. Staccato flute. Oh, this can shred too. Cool. This is FM key shredding. Happy. I'm happy right now. I'm having a good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Whew, that might have made your dog look at you. It's a cool sound. Those high ends really pop through real loud. It's weird. There's like a... I feel like I can hear the attack on time, but then there's a space, and then there's a... little tune effect to it. This is a half note sequence because there's definitely a delay in the attack on this one. Modular. My X Mini Touch is not used to hammering out sequences on, so. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's like a dissonant saturation up at the top. Cool. It's really broad Nova sound, which can be shreddy. Put some verb on it. Oh, this one's a little detuned after the attack, but I like this one. It reminds me of a, Asian instrument of some sort. Cool. Old guitar. Old as in needs some intonation. Need some verb on that. Yeah, some delay. That's nice. What I think is nice has nothing to do with what you think is nice. I'm just commenting. Brass. Square synth. Tinker. Verb. Yeah. Yeah. Polite. Oh. Comes the overdrive. I only have a limiter on EZkeys, just in case I blow something up when I change presets. That's synth brass. 𝗪𝗘𝗥𝗞𝗦 key. It's got a good harmonic sizzle to it. Oh, I think we just entered the bass. Cool. Let's cover the bass. All right, we're checking out the bass presets, and I gotta move a lot faster because, boy, we took a lot of time on the previous section. There's a little tiny melody going on in EZdrummer on the Dance EZX. So we're laying bass lines underneath that from electronic pop. So that's not easy pop, that little melody line. Let's get started. High bass, mid bass. That 808 sub bass sounded great. Hopefully you're not in your studio with the sub turned on and I just blew up your studio. Ooh, that's smooth. Ooh, that sounds awesome. Reminds me of someone playing a stand-up bass and really plucking with fingers. Thump, 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 thump. Definitely got a pitch effect on this. Similar situation with the pitch. Some of these bass presets played down in the lowest register, they're just making intelligible sounds, so I try and sweep the octave up for you guys real quick. Interesting. This is fun. This right here. Some sort of wood block sound. Oh yeah. electrocution. What is this? Oh. That's a familiar sound. Cool. Switched it back over to a more sustaining melody line. It's cute. It's fun. Straight up 80s sound. A lot of them are. This one really reminds me of it. Shred with this one easily. Whew. It's pretty awesome. Kind of like a slow attack on this. Let's hear this. That's holding up down in those low octaves. Pretty cool. Whew, that's strong. It's the last one. Pretty cool. Let's keep moving. All right, we're about to do the leads. And you can hear a kind of a bass line, doot, 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 doot. That's playing an easy drum, we're playing leads on top of that. I'm gonna fly through this quick using some fast arpeggios. Let's check them out. It's too fast, here we go. attack's a little slow down the lower register. Let's hear this shred. Fun. Dissonant hover drop. It's the jabs of some sort. Little dissonant. Just want to hear that alone. It doesn't sound good over the bass line is all. The attack on this is slow. Definitely retro game, definitely. Four more. Very organ-esque electronic organ down there. That's it for leads. So the pads, really extremely slow attack. It's not going to play along to a beat very well. So I'm just going to do some extremely basic chords and melody to this stuff. Someone's about to get murdered. Revelation moment. Suspense. Awe moment. Don't even know. All beautiful sounding. Really light, fluffy, ambient. Ooh, need dissonance on this one. Yeah. It's like a grit to the top end. It's great. I like that. This one takes a while to build. I didn't hit the right notes, but feeling like some sort of dramatic military conversation. He got the medal, but he died. It's fun stuff. Every other sci-fi movie I grew up to in the 80s and 90s. Mod wheel. Cool. Let's get on to chord stabs. All right, let's jam right through the chord stabs. They're all minor chords, except for the last one. And chord stab is you hit one key, you get a full chord. You can hear the major sound come right out compared to the other ones. Let's move on to pianos. There's a piano section. There's 3 very electric sounding pianos. I'm sure they're good for EDM. I just threw the acoustic Nashville EZkeys kit and MIDI behind it just to hear it in a format that I'm used to presenting. So here's piano 1. There's 3 pianos. Filter really muffle this thing. It's basically a low pass filter. Take the attack off. There's a delay there. If we pull out the delay, you can critique the reverb a little better. Next piano. Next piano. Definitely feels like a saloon all of a sudden on that last piano. Here's the pianos. The Pluck presets, these are like our last melodic presets. Everything after this is just like a one-shot audio stingers sound effects type thing. And a quick disclaimer is EZdrummer 3 is playing that mid-range bass line. Boop, 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 boop. That is not electronic pop. That is EZdrummer 3. Let's get started. Airy Pluck. Shred this. Reverb. Gotta relearn for some reason. Here we go. Yeah, I dig that. orchestral. Saturday morning cartoon score. Serious harmonics on that. Reverb. Yeah. It's cute. Same with this reverb. Yeah. Might as well just do a quick move. What else we got? Lower register feels cute and muffled like underwater. Pitchy effect. Definitely retro. Cool. Here comes the vocal chops. Let's just do them right now. Middle C. All right, that was the vocal chops. And let me go back to them real quick. I mean, if you play them down low, it gets fun, and then you got a chipmunk. And everything in between. Let's move on to effects. All right, I'm going to fly through the effects on middle C, just like I did with the last voices. This saying Blade Run hits home for me. I love Blade Runner. And that sound actually makes a lot of sense. That super breaks up in the air frequency is pretty cool. Tron. Creepy. Ugh. Cute little sting. It's an interesting sound. Cute. Little monster sting about to come around the corner. Sub, huh? Sub. Yeah, you hear a high-end note in there, but there's a sub backing it up. In case you can't hear it, you're on a device. I like the little rebound sound at the end of that. That sounds pretty cool. Pass for an impact sound effect as well. White noise. Cool. Now we're on to the risers. Let's just move through these. Turn my headphones down. Okay. It does just end on its own. I didn't take my finger off. Might be here for a minute. I was hitting the wrong note. Here's middle C. The 80s sci-fi big time. Phew, that has a good like air raid type alarm at the end of it. That one too. 𝗘𝗫𝗖𝗟 is coming to kill you. I turned my volume down on my headphones on that one. False, and here's the opposite. Oh, excuse me. Who smelt it, dealt it. That ends on a note. That one has some super sub-frequencies at the very tail. Little 808 hit underneath that. It's the end of the line, guys. This is Sean from Shootie School. If you got anything out of this video, do comment below. I do have 2 free Discord and Facebook social and support groups. The links are in the description. Rock on.